morning.
We got our coffee and there's a sandpiper. Yeah, so anyways, now we are at Solana Beach. We are walking on the beach.
It's cold.
And the water's chilly. It feels really good though. I think it feels nice. But yeah, we're just walking on the beach now, and then we're gonna go back a little bit. Probably walk to the end here. Go back a little bit later. Get changed. Go to La Jolla and St. Archer for sure today. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Hopefully it clears up. I think it's supposed to clear up a little bit later today.
Yeah, around noon.
And then, yeah, wherever the day takes us is where it will. It'll just be as it is. This beach is so special to us. This was the first beach
that my toes ever touched the Pacific Ocean.
Look at this photograph.
And mine too, when I was in 2003.
Look at this photograph.
Solana Beach, I don't know, because who knows? This was the first town I ever went to on the West Coast, and you know, it was the first town that I brought Abby to on the West Coast, so it's just so...
10 years ago you brought me
here.
here.
It was exactly 10 years ago. It was 2011.
Like, honestly, shy of like a week.
Yeah,
exactly,
it really was.
to the day.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, 10 years ago we came here, Abby and I, for the first time. This beach is always so special to us. We love this town so much. It's the most laid back, just beach chill town there is, and I love it. Why are we always smiling? Is something wrong with it? Alright, made it to La Jolla and don't know how, but we got no parking.
Never happens.
Never. Look at the view. It smells really bad. All these pelicans bring up the fish right down there.
Really
Grouper
bad.
garden over here. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around La Jolla today and just check, well, for a little bit and check this out. Hey, there's seals. Oh, there's always tons of seals everywhere here, and they're still here. Alright, we frolicked. I got some drone photos. Just sat and watched the waves. Alright, we spent some time down at the cove. Just kind of watched the waves crash and saw the seals. The main area where we usually walk out it was all closed because it was sea lion breeding season, birthing area. We got a sticker and sweatshirt at the gift shop, and now we're going to Aviator Nation because we saw that they have one here, and we went to the one in Malibu, and there's a jacket I want, and their sizing is, everything's different, so I want to try it on before I make any purchase like that. Here it is. This is cool. There's one right there. Yep.
Those men's swim trunks?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Alright, well, the jacket will work, so once it gets colder, because I can't think about buying a winter jacket right now.
You looked expensive in that.
Well, it's really nice. So
You looked very posh.
I know the difference too. So the men's have 4 stripes on the back.
And the women have 3.
I don't. Yeah, you should get this heavy. Ritzy. I don't know what we're gonna do now. We were going to the beach, but who knows? The weather don't look beachy. So we're at least gonna go to St. Archer next. Maybe one stop before, but yeah, heading there now. St. Archer.
St. Archer.
Is this the tap room? I don't know. All right, we made it to St. Archer. We had to we realized we had no food in our system, so we went across the street. We had to get some tacos real fast. So there's a clip of these right here. Rigoberto's.
Yeah.
Rigoberto's. Look at this. You got tacos. Look at those. I got a torta. Jeez, I didn't know they were gonna be that big. That's what she said. Okay, chicken torta. Here we go. It's good, but it's actually not as good as La Fiesta Express.
Is it not?
We are at St. Archer. I've been wanting to come here for so long. This is so cool. I wanted to come here like for many years, and I just kept forgetting to come here, honestly. I mean, we tried, but we didn't have time that one year, but we're here. So excited. Maybe we'll see a pro skater.
I'm a professional skater, baby.
You good?
Yeah, I like this one. It's really light. It's called the Punch Bowl Sparkler.
And I got a tropical, then I just realized I had tropical in Malibu, but not on draft, so, but it's really good. But yeah, look at this place. It's so awesome. That one got the small IBU. It's so cool to see. My dude up there at the bar, let me try this Cashmere Summer Ale. This thing is really good. You didn't like it, did you?
It smells like pennies.
See, hers tastes like a sock. Yeah, it did. But no, this is, I would say, I wish I could just explain it, like what it smells like. It almost has like a warm air freshener smell. Not like a vanilla smell, like a candle or something.
If that was a candle, I would return it.
Shut up. Whatever, regardless, this is really good though. I like it a lot.
It wasn't bad. I mean, I liked it, but I liked this best.
She likes the old Punch Bowl sour sock.
Sparkler.
Punch Bowl sparkler. I like collecting skateboarding decks, but we're in the gift shop right now. It's so awesome. There's a Mikey Taylor bird. Looks like a Sean Malto. I'm not sure whose this was. I can't tell by the autograph there. Hey. I'll bring the beers.
I'll bring the beers. I'll bring the beers.
No, the nicest guy
What the
ever
heck?
at St. Archer. He
Yeah.
was like loading us up on little
Yes.
koozies.
Koozies.
Koozies, stickers.
I got 2 keychains, one for each
And-
vehicle.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
here. And I got a hat,
Yes, that I'll
And-
probably wear.
and Michael got a shirt.
That she won't wear.
No, I won't.
No, but oh my gosh, we had the best time at St.
Yeah.
Archer. That was so fun.
Yeah, it was just nice.
The nicest people, like such a genuine guy, especially, well, both those guys, but that one guy like hooked us up right there.
Yeah, but it was really cool just to have a drink,
Yeah.
enjoy the atmosphere. It was fun.
Yeah, it
Highly,
was-
highly recommend it.
Absolutely recommend it, and we will definitely be back when we're in San Diego again.
Oh, I would definitely go back.
Yeah, absolutely. So that is something I've been
Yeah.
wanting to do forever.
So thanks,
Finally
St.
did it.
Archer. That was awesome.
Thank you, St. Archer. This was awesome. We are back to, we got back to our hotel. We went to CVS, got some water and hand sanitizer. But the gloom never went away today. So we never went to the beach because it stayed kind of chilly. I mean, I'm not cold, but I could see where Abby is cold. So we didn't get to go to the beach, nor did we get to see a sunset. So we're gonna drown our sorrows in a CPK, California Pizza Kitchen, right now. Look back and tell me you love me.
I love you.
Oh my gosh, and tell me you love CPK.
I love CPK.
All right, they had them tonight. We have the Avocado Club egg rolls. You should get the first bite.
I agree.
You do?
I think this is like Chipotle. Yeah, that was good.
I don't know looks really good though. These are really good.
I know.
God, these give the macaroni a run for their money.
I know.
Wow. Yo, how's that pizza? All right, I made. I'll post it here. How's that pizza? But yeah, anyways, Abby got the Hawaiian once again. I got the spicy chipotle chicken. Got the hot sauce tonight because I forgot it last night.
Dr. Duck.
Don't start filming yet, or what?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm flying the drone.
Where are we at?
La Jolla.
What are you hoping to see?
What we're here? Sunshine? Or seals?
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna get the sunshine, but seals are a guarantee.
Yeah.